Battery change on a Jeep Key Fob. Push this button to release the key. You can use a key to prise the top off the key fob. Lift the plastic cover from this corner. Remove the battery. You might need to carefully use a small screwdriver. Replace the battery. It's a CR2450. Battery cover back on. Line up the tabs for the shell of the fob and push back into place. You'll hear it click. Key back in, and you're done.